As you know, our session is about fraction. We take what the meaning of a fraction, definition of a fraction, and we take also the terms of the fraction and the types of a fraction, and to distinguish between two fraction, reducible and irreducible. First of all, let's make a quick revision. What the meaning of a fraction, Fatima Ismail?
A fraction is a part of a whole.
Is a part of a whole. What are the terms of a fraction?
Numerator and denominator.
Numerator and denominator. The denominator should be always different than,
The numerator.
and no,
And, it can be zero.
it should be different than zero, not different than the numerator. It can be equal to the numerator, 4 over 4. Then
It should be a natural number.
okay, so then the fraction, it will be 4 over 4. Then the fraction, it's equal to what?
To 1.
To 1. Okay, thank you. I will move to Noor now. Tell me, ya Noor, what are the types of a fraction?
Irreducible. The types of the fraction is irreducible and reducible.
No, types of fraction.
Um,
Yes, Noor Atwe. Types of fraction. Yes, Nawaf.
The types of fraction is proper and improper.
Very good. What the meaning of proper?
Proper means when the numerator be bigger than the denominator.
No.
And improper.
No.
Can I say?
Yes.
The proper is the denominator is bigger than the numerator.
We cannot
and
say like that. We say that the fraction is less than 1.
Yes. And improper, the fraction is bigger than 1.
We didn't say bigger, we say greater than 1.
Greater than 1.
So proper, less than 1. Improper, greater than 1.
Greater.
Now we have also two kinds of fraction, reducible and irreducible. What the meaning of reducible, ya Maryam? Yes, Maryam, what the meaning of reducible fraction?
Reducible, it can be divided. Irreducible can be divided.
Can't be divided. And we have also a condition for irreducible fraction. What the meaning of irreducible? Their GCD is equal to what? If it's irreducible. If it's irreducible, then, ya Fatima Ismail?
GCD equal to 1.
1, very good. And when يحسن Zara, if the GCD is equal to 1? Can you tell me, Yahsan, when the GCD is equal to 1? Yes.
The GCD is equal to 1 if the numerator and the denominator are the same.
Also, no, I'm talking about irreducible fraction, teacher. The GCD is equal to 1 when the two numbers... Yes, ya Maryam.
The GCD
when the two numbers are...
Wait, Maryam, let's
are relatively prime numbers
or two consecutive numbers. Yes or no, Maryam?
If the two numbers are relatively prime numbers.
Okay,
yes,
very
I
good,
want to
Hassan.
say that.
So can you repeat it, Maryam? Very good, Hassan. So
yes.
GCD is equal to 1 if the two numbers
are equal to 1. The numerator and denominator are equal.
No.
Correct?
No, if they are equal, their GCD is 1. Their value is 1, not their GCD. If 4 over 4, the GCD of 4 and 4 is 1. But GCD of two numbers, I want to get the GCD of two numbers. I cannot get a GCD for one number, teacher. Okay? The GCD of two numbers and more. So it's wrong. It's not correct. GCD is 1. That's mean maybe the two numbers are consecutive or
prime numbers.
Are two relatively prime numbers. So to get an irreducible fraction, the numbers of numerator and denominator should be maybe two consecutive or two relatively prime number.
Numbers.
Is it clear, teacher?
Yes.
Now I want to go to our book, page 52, and solve the first exercises, please.